Alright, you guys, well, this started out as a Thanksgiving vlog, but it ended up just turning into a makeup tutorial slash get ready with me. So that's what it is. Hope you enjoy.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Alicia and I make mostly beauty videos, lifestyle videos, vlogs, fashion videos, art videos, a whole bunch of different types of videos. So hopefully you stay and find something you like. My channel's a mess, kind of like my life, but hopefully you find something you like and stay. So if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so that you can be notified when I upload, since I don't ever upload consistently, but I'm trying to. So let's get into it. Today's Thanksgiving, so I'm going to be doing more of like a holiday glam makeup look, which I'm super excited about. My inspo for this is Beats by Lizzie. I don't know if you can see, but this makeup look is just everything. I probably won't do the whole bottom lash line that she does here, but I really want to do that smoky cut crease that I've been really into. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, I need lotion, so I don't have any here. It's up there. For lotion, I'm going in with this Olay. This is the Total Effects with sunscreen SPF 25. This is currently my favorite face lotion. I haven't decided if I want to do a voiceover yet or not, but if I choose not to, this is my current face lotion. This is my current favorite face lotion. I love Olay. I've been using Olay face lotion since I was younger. It was one of the first ones I ever used. I switched it up between Olay and CeraVe. Not really sure how to pronounce it, but it's the super popular brand that is supposed to be really good for your skin. So those are the two main ones I use. Okay, moving on. Primer, of course. Urban Decay Optical Illusion. My favorite go-to. I just got a sample of the Hydro Grip from Milk Cosmetics, so I'm gonna try that out because I heard that one's also really good. So we'll see if I like that one, but I still have a whole tube of this, so it's gonna be a long time before I get a different primer. And oh yes, I think I'm just gonna go ahead and start off with the eyes. So we're gonna prep my eyes with the MAC Paint Pot. This is in Soft Ochre. Just take some of that on my finger. Blend that all over. I'm gonna take this nude shade and just set that, and just set that base in place. Base in place. I'm just gonna ignore myself there. Okay, I'm gonna go in with my Jaclyn Hill palette from Morphe. Using this black shade here. I'm probably gonna go in with this brush. This is a Morphe E18. Just my go-to small pencil brush. So I'm just gonna go ahead and stamp that into the crease. And we'll just keep building it up until it's dark enough. I'm just gonna flick that out once I get to that outer corner. I'm gonna take the Morphe M213. Just feel like I have more control. looks like she goes all the way in her inner corner, so that's what I'm gonna do. Okay, that's pretty built up, pretty dark. So now what I'm gonna do is take, this is a clean fluffy brush. This is the this is the MAC 221 SE. And with nothing on that brush, I'm just gonna kind of buff out the edges here very slightly because I don't want it to really spread, and it's blended already pretty nicely. I'm gonna go ahead and do the same steps I did on the other eye. Try to get these as even as possible. Okay, I think that wing's a little uneven, but I'll fix it when I clean that up. I'm just gonna go ahead and build this a little more, just to clean it up with the Tarte Shape Tape. I'm taking a Real Techniques detailer brush. Okay, taking my MAC 266 SE. I'm just gonna go ahead and create a sharp wing. Okay, now I have to do the other side. Try to make it look like this. This side is always better, but it's gonna, you know what? I'm gonna do it. It's gonna look great. You guys, I'm left eye dominant, so it's always harder for me to do my left eye. That's why my right side always comes out way better. Okay, and then for the lower lash line, I'm gonna create a sharp angle. So I just got this new color corrector since I ran on my last one. This is Bobbi Brown in Bisque. I've never used Bobbi Brown before, but they had a lot of different shade ranges for the color corrector. So the girl at Sephora definitely helped me out with that. So I'm super excited to try this one out because she said this is her like go-to. And we compared shade colors to the Becca under eye color corrector that's also brightening with the Urban Decay color corrector in Peach, which I used both of those previously, and so we went with this color in Bisque. We found that that might be the best match for me, so let's go ahead and see how that works out. Okay, so right off the bat, it's very tacky. So I'm just pressing that in. Okay, what do you guys think? Can you see a difference? For concealer, I'm going in with the Double Wear Concealer by Estee Lauder Stay in Place Flawless Wear Concealer. Okay. I'm gonna try to just clean up that under eye liner. Next, I'm going in with my Makeup Forever foundation powder. Oh yeah, and for my under eyes and my face, I'm using the IT Cosmetics. This is the Conceal number 7 and the All Over double-ended brush. I'm just gonna put that all over my face. I realized I forgot to conceal this spot, so I'm just taking whatever's left over on that other side. clear brow gel and brushing out my brows. Okay, to bronze I'm taking Hoola Bronzer by Benefit. And I'm taking that higher up, kind of on the cheekbone area. So I'm just taking that darker blush shade and going right on my cheekbone. And then I'm just gonna blend that out. Taking that lighter pink. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and set that. I'm gonna go in with the Morphe 35B palette for the white shade. I'm just gonna put that on that inner corner right above that black sharp liner and on my lower waterline. I'm gonna finish off with lashes. This is the Maybelline The Falsies Push Up Angel. And then taking the Luminous Lash Paradise. I'm only doing that on the bottom lashes because I'm going to do falsies up top. So I'm going in with velour. This is in the style Secret Weapon. I'm actually going to take a MAC lip liner in Brick. And for lipstick, I'm taking Milani in number 18 Obsession. Okay, I just need to fix my hair, but I don't have time, so I'm just gonna leave it as is. I might do like a little pin up here. What do you think? I think so. Okay, let me do that and I'll be right back. Okay, I think we're done. Alright guys, well that completes this look. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I had so much fun creating this look. I haven't done a dark look like this in so long, but I figured it's perfect for fall and holiday season. If you guys enjoyed it, please leave this video a like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. Also turn on that notification bell and head over to my Instagram to see photos of this look, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye! Okay guys, so I just finished getting ready. I'm way behind schedule, but it's fine because we still have a couple hours before we're having dinner. So I want to do a quick little outfit of the day so I can show you what I'm wearing. And yeah, so I have these super cute earrings, and then why am I so breathy? I'm like out of breath. I just ran up the stairs, that's why. I was just gonna wear this dress, but I am so cold. So I threw on a black turtleneck long sleeve and then some tights with some booties. Ignore my makeup situation. But yeah, so that's my little outfit of the day. Super cute. I'm gonna head to my mom's now. So what is on this? Okay, I'm gonna head to my mom's now, so hopefully we end up making it to the park. It's not too late still, so hopefully we can do that, and then I might get a little cute picture. We'll see. So yeah, see you there. Okay guys, so I ended up not making it on time to go to the park because my mom likes to do things super early and I'm always super late, but we spent some time together, which was nice. And then I came home and I ate so much. I was so full. I just like went to bed right after because I was so tired. So this is gonna end the vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye. Oh yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And today we are doing a but just fell asleep.